So I decided to go with my CINELOG 35V2 with the SpeedyBee F7. Said why not? Did the soldering myself, put everything together. You know, I've been having a lot of trouble with the GEPRC flight controller. It was my second one in 6 months.
The trials of FPV, nigga. I gotta do it again because it was supposed to be this one because that's what goes inside the battery. I put the wrong module. Shit. Moment of truth, buddy. Moment of truth. Got the LiFo in, smoke stopper, get the power. We up and running, boy. Got power.
Wow, what a journey. Love it. Love it.